Hi, it's Paul Clifford from Disruptware, and today I want to talk about your business model. How do you know that what you're building or your idea is actually going to sell? Okay, and it's the crucial thing that you should be looking at right from the start, and I'm sure you are. But how do you actually know? What sort of questions can you be asking yourself and your prospects to understand, whether anyone's actually going to buy your solution? Well, first of all, the core things you need to know are, does it save time? Okay, and does it make money, or does it replace an existing process? And if it saves time, then what's the value of their time? Because if the value of their time is not really big, then it's still not enough for them to actually buy it. So think about, are you selling to a lawyer or are you selling to a school? Okay, so think about the value of the time, whether it's enough, for them to actually put their hand in their pocket and buy your solution. If it's solving a real problem, how much of a pain is that problem to them? Okay, how much does it really, stand in their way of their doing their everyday job? Okay, and how can your solution actually solve that pain? And then look at some more general factors. Is it a trending market? Okay, is it growing? Are there a lot of people in the market and a lot of customers? Are there enough customers out there who are willing to, buy your product? And how large is it? Does it scale across different boundaries, different countries? Is it global, or is it just in one region? Okay. Unlike a traditional business, a software SaaS business, you don't have to worry about the supply so much. Okay, so traditionally, when you're asking yourself these questions, one of the questions you'd also ask is, do you have enough capacity to deliver? Well, in this case, that doesn't really matter so much, because being an online app, you can scale to thousands and thousands of customers, and by the time you actually want to or need to increase your server capacity, well, that's a good problem to have. Okay, so look at your business and try and identify the key factors. Is it solving the customer's problem? And this is something that Lean Startup, which is a great book by Eric Ries, talks about. And he talks about how quickly can you get your product out to market, and even before it becomes a final product, can you take like a prototype or something, just even a manual process to a customer and try and identify whether it's enough for them to actually commit money to. Okay, so get his book. It goes into a whole load of different paradigms and methodologies, but it's essential reading for anyone building a SaaS model. And essentially it's all about getting what's called your minimum viable product out and tested in front of a customer as soon as possible, so you can validate from them whether the thing is going to sell. I hope you found that useful. This is Paul Clifford from Disruptware.